These are my toy gun Nerf slash knife glasses slash vest video. This is called, I forgot its name, but it's a really cool gun. It's a Nerf gun. This one's Nerf. This one's Air Zone. Nerf. These are cans from Air Zone. These are targets. One of them is from Air Zone. The other one I don't know. Let's see. This one is from Shot. I got this one at Gordman's. Got this one at the carnival. Has a laser on it. What? And we have this one from Busby. That one. We have some vests. Some Nerf glasses. We have a bomb. Really cool. It's under your shirt or your pants. We have a rifle. We have brass knuckle knife, like a ninja thing, and a knife, and a ninja star. Then we have this gun shoots a top. This gun shoots a top too. This gun shoots a top. And this one, I have two of these. And we have this, I have two of these. I have two of these. It's a Glock. Let's bring it up close. So this is a Glock. Silencer on. Like that. We have a bazooka. We have a random machine gun. This one is from Dart Zone. It's a machine gun. This one's a cap gun. It's a revolver cap gun. one is a revolver. Works. This is what button you have to pull it out to pull the bullets out. Full clip. Has a this. And then we have this. You take the silencer off. Then we could take this off. So you have to unclip it. I don't know, but anyways, you don't need to take it off. I just took a flashlight, still works. And let me find the switch. Flashlight still works. Flashlight. Open up. Look. Then it has a silencer. Then I have these glasses on. If you guys didn't see this, I have this too. Nerf gun. I have 3 of these cans. And that's my toy gun collection. And if you want to see more, just click the link below. Subscribe and